So let's now dive into our next story of the day and discuss this whopping $15 trillion, which could be ushered into the Bitcoin market practically overnight upon the approval of a spot Bitcoin ETF. Here we go. The co-founders of crypto analytics firm Glassnode, one of my favorite analytics company, think that a deluge of capital will flow into Bitcoin once the regulators greenlight the spot Bitcoin ETF, better known as an exchange-traded fund. Glassnode co-founders who share the handle on X say institutional capital in the tune of trillions of dollars is waiting on the sidelines for a spot market Bitcoin ETF. Facts, quoting them here. The introduction of Bitcoin Spot ETFs is reshaping the financial landscape in unprecedented ways. Demand is on the rise, with over $15 trillion in assets from companies seeking Bitcoin Spot ETF approval. The looming institutional FOMO, once Bitcoin ETF spots get the green light, can potentially ignite the bull run, propelling us to new heights in the crypto market. Six-figure Bitcoin, let's freaking go. Now, last week, Bloomberg analyst Bill Chunas said financial behemoth BlackRock is already funding its Bitcoin ETF, the iShares Bitcoin Trust, which we leaked here on the show. And looking at the price action of Bitcoin, the Glassnode co-founders say Bitcoin is starting to cool off after rising to about 35,000. Quoting them here, it's safe to say that the bulls won this week, at least for now. Bitcoin has finally stabilized and lost some steam after several days of rising, with a price decrease to roughly 34,000. Future ETF approvals can lead to further gains. However, they will be short-term Stella News events due to market dynamics. So there you have it. Now let's discuss Galaxy Digital and what they see happening in the market if the spot Bitcoin ETF were to be approved. Here we go. Galaxy Digital, the crypto venture led by U.S. billionaire Mike Novogratz, projected a substantial capital influx into the spot ETFs. And according to the estimations, these ETFs can witness an impressive $14.5 billion in inflows, which I think is outrageously conservative. What do you think, fam? During their inaugural year, potentially reshaping the investment landscape. The venture contends that the allure of the spot Bitcoin ETF surpasses existing investment avenues, such as trust and futures, which currently hold assets valued at over $21 billion. It also noted that ETF inflows can ramp up by $27 billion by the second year and $39 billion by the third year. Let's change this billion-dollar figure with $1 trillion, shall we? Why not? The potential ramifications of this projection are profound. Not only does this forecast hint at a surge of investor interest, but also signals the paradigm shift in the approach towards crypto investments. As of October 2023, Galaxy Digital points and posits that the wealth management sector in the U.S. could witness a monumental transformation, with assets managed by broker-dealers, banks, and registered investment advisors collectively amounting to a staggering $48 trillion. Now we're talking my language. Galaxy says that the spot Bitcoin ETFs stand as a pivotal development, promising secure, regulated means for investors to gain exposure to Bitcoin. These products would be facilitated through established partners, primarily traditional funds, and banks with a demonstrated track record in customer protection and sound investment offers, just like Van Eck, BlackRock, Fidelity, ARC 21, etc. Meanwhile, recent market dynamics have demonstrated the demand for Bitcoin-based financial products. You can say that again. A mere rumor the previous week led to the unprecedented 10% surge of the Bitcoin price actions. Another massive shout out to $0 G-Row for the super chat contribution. Much love and much respect to the fam. I greatly appreciate it, guys. Now, Galaxy Digital's projection of $14.4 billion influx in the first year can contribute significantly to a remarkable 74% surge in the Bitcoin price action. This anticipated increase is predicated on the assumption the liquidity and price impact of billions of dollars in investments will transform Bitcoin's value, which natural, flow of supply and demand, stock to flow. The perceived limitations of existing investment products further underscore the urgency of these spot Bitcoin ETFs. In fact, you recently had Congress point at Gary Gensler, he was testifying under oath, and they said, Gary, we want spot Bitcoin ETFs and ETPs approved immediately, with that keyword, fam, being immediately. So yeah, Gary, all eyes on him right now. In addition to mitigating these existing challenges, the spot ETFs promise greater operational efficiency, according to Galaxy. That includes advantages in fee structures, liquidity, and price tracking. While specific fee details have yet to be disclosed by the Bitcoin ETF apps, historical data indicates that such products generally offer fees lower than hedge or closed funds. So there you have it, my crypto fam. What are your thoughts surrounding all of this? Let me know. Shout out to McLovin. I appreciate the super chat contribution. You guys are too kind.